When I first saw the advertisement, the thing that caught my attention was the president, Philip Deal, who he was, 35th director of the U.S. Mint. He was a chief of staff for the U.S. Treasury. I thought, well, this man knows what he's doing. And so I felt safe. That really is what sold me, just the integrity of the company. That's important to me. I've really enjoyed everything about the aspect of U.S. Money Reserve. U.S. Money Reserve has my trust because of their expertise and their experience. Of course, nothing is without risk, and that being said, I feel that by diversifying with precious metals that I am covering my bases. U.S. Money Reserve's quality of service has been first class for me. Their quality of service is just superb, really is. I would recommend U.S. Money Reserve without any hesitation or reservation to anyone. In fact, I will eventually to all my children and my grandchildren. I would not use anyone else, honestly.
There may never have been a better time to start diversifying your assets with physical gold and silver. And right now, it's easy to get started. Just pick up the phone and call U.S. Money Reserve.
If you've bought gold in the past or would like to learn more about why physical gold should be an important part of your portfolio, pick up the phone and call to receive the complete guide to buying gold, which will provide you important, never seen before facts you should know about making gold, silver, and platinum purchases.
With nearly 2 decades in business, over $1 billion in transactions, and more than 500,000 clients worldwide, U.S. Money Reserve is one of the most dependable gold distributors in America.